Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Now we're looking at this gorgeous two-bedroom here. This is at the Westcott, and we're just gonna do a really quick 1 minute or so walkthrough. So we're gonna look at this beautiful kitchen. The kitchen is just sumptuous. It's got some amazing, beautiful white quartz countertops and just white backsplash. It's just a beautiful kitchen. It just looks elegant and fun. Here is the living area. You do have an area for bar stools, but then you've also got just areas here for living. You've got a beautiful balcony, and in this case, it overlooks the pool. Beautiful balcony. Just a really nice feel in here. And then let's look in one of the bedrooms as well. In this case, there's two bedrooms. The second bedroom is there with a guest bath. But let's go into the master. The master's here. Very attractive. Feels very substantial. Everything feels, I don't know, just like thick. Very well done. And then we're going to walk into the bathroom so you can see that. Dual sink bathroom. Very elegant. Huge mirror. I just love that mirror. And then you've got separated walk-in shower, and then a beautiful bathtub too. So that's a really quick walkthrough of this beautiful two-bedroom here at the Westcott. If you'd like to get some more details or set up a virtual live tour or in-person live tour, we can set that up as early as 2 hours from now. Go ahead and send me a text, and I look forward to hearing from you.